Yeah. Oh my fucking god. Okay. Okay, that'd be a lot easier if that wasn't sheet metal. But I'm limited with what I got, so whatever. Okay, you fucking stupid son of a bitch. I'll fucking beat the goddamn... Beat the fucking hell out of you. You're lucky. 2 fucking seconds before I fucking destroy you. I also just realized, check this out. That has a throttle plate. That's all it is. I thought it was electrically controlled. No, it's just a throttle plate. So I could probably put a bell mouth on there like a carb. That'd be pretty cool. Well, that's pretty cool. So they must have did that to balance it. Drilled it in certain spots. This is pretty high tech. I quite like this. I lucked out. This is a log manifold off my forge. It's actually pretty light. I thought it was cast iron, but I think it's something else. It is cast though, so I don't want to reuse this flange. Plus it looks pretty cool, so I think I'll just keep that. Anyways, just gonna lay this up. Everything looks okay. It might be a little bit off, but that should be fine. And really you can fine tune it if you need. So I'm thinking I'm gonna try something of my own design and stray from the plan a bit. I'm gonna make a chamber on, like inside the wall of the aperture where all the exhaust is blowing out of the forge. And I'm gonna connect that to an intake from my blower to turn this into a heat exchanger. The heat exchanger should preheat my intake air as it mixes up with the propane. It should keep heat in the system, cutting down on the amount of propane that I have to use. It should be for efficiency. So this will be my inside, and then this will be my outside. But I wanted to show you Primus. 6'2" and rude as hell. I gotta put him in the ground before he starts to smell. My name is Mud. You know? I know that band. Whoops. Bunch of dead flies. Whoopsies. Watch this. Shotgun hole. Like that. I guess that's why they invented hammers. Ouch. And this one? So that's your intake and exhaust. So that's a concentric chamber. I shouldn't be making a mess here. I just wanted to make sure it doesn't leak. It does leak a little tiny bit, and that's fine. Honestly, that's probably the worst one I've ever built, but I don't know. It's interesting, so we'll keep it.